Are there solutions that exist now? What is working as far as addressing some of these concerns?
You know, in addition to understanding the safety, the science behind, you know, lithium-ion batteries and e-bikes, the other thing that we try to understand and, you know, bring more awareness to is consumer sentiment. So our research team at ULSC, they have done an outstanding job of helping us understand what users, what consumers know about these types of products. And so I'm going to spit out a few statistics here because I think this is important for the topic. But not just the science, but understanding awareness. We know that there are significant awareness gaps when it comes to products that employ lithium-ion batteries. So what has helped us is understanding what do people know. Our research shows that about half of the people that own an e-bike have no idea that it's powered by a lithium-ion battery. On top of that, almost half of e-bike users who charge their device at home charge it in front of an exit, which again introduces another significant safety risk. Knowing that, we can ensure that the standards are comprehensive and address some of these things.
We're also starting to see some solutions emerge, we think, too. So, for example, in 2023, I think in September, New York City passed a law that would regulate the purchase and the sale of lithium-ion battery e-bikes and e-scooters. It actually requires those devices to conform to our standards. And in 2023, there were 18 deaths, and not injuries, there were deaths due to lithium-ion battery fires. And so far in 2024, there's been only one. So, you know, again, it's just encouraging folks to take that look.